Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back to beautiful British Columbia. And boy, oh boy,
we've got a good day planned.
Oh, I'm glad you came in with that. I was thinking you were just gonna not say anything. We tried to get up early and come to Joffre Lakes.
You guys know us at all?
We didn't make it up early. So we are at Joffre Lakes though.
Along with like 1,000 other people. Doesn't take away from the beauty of it.
Let me show you these people. The big thing to do in Joffre Lakes is to hit this log. This is classic log on Lake 2.
The log. You know some touristy things that you get to and you're like, oh, I totally understand the tourism of this? That's this log.
So Beck's gonna do it. She's gonna get in line.
I'm gonna get suited up.
Your hair's looking a little sweaty, so.
Perfect. And I'm gonna jump in the water. It must be maybe 2 degrees, so.
How's my hair?
Oh yeah. Did you show them yet? Did you guys see, anybody take notice of Eamon's little braid? Do you wanna tell them what?
Yeah, we were watching Alone last night, and what's his name? Randy?
Randy.
He's a legend. He's got like the most epic cabin of all time. And he had some braids, and I was like, dude, you're a legend.
Okay, let's cue like
cool story, right?
all the beautiful images hopefully you get of me walking across the thing.
So today's video is brought to you by Go RVing Canada. They're actually an online resource, everything to do with RVs, campsites, rentals. You guys can check them out, they're linked below. And today's video is all about bringing back wildhood. So we're here at Joffre Lakes. Let's explore. What does bring back wildhood mean to you?
To me, bringing back wildhood is all about that childhood feeling when you've played so hard all day that food tastes better, you can't wait to crash, you basically crash at the dinner table, you know? That kind
True
of stuff.
say, man. That was really well said.
Thank you, buddy. And the mosquitoes. Ugh.
Yeah, what's wildhood without mosquitoes? Can you guys see how blue that water is? The bluest you've ever seen?
Easily the most pure and blue and dreamy
It's
and
blue.
lovely, and it's just like,
It's the most blue.
It's aqua blue. It's so pretty. So a couple days ago, I made Eamon go on this 11-hour hike with me called the Panorama Ridge. It was absolutely worth it.
Amazing.
But we're both broken.
It was 11 hours with broken knees, so.
We still haven't fully recovered.
Yeah, this is hurting a bit. That's all we got.
That's all we got.
You're almost there, guys. Good hike.
Good day, buddy. You don't already know.
Look at the excitement on Beck's face.
You do not watch us enough. That's the only way you can say that. We are making the ultimate chickpea salad sandwiches. Gosh, I'm so stoked for this. I'd be super stoked if you wanted to mash up the chickpeas.
Really get your back into it here.
The more you mash it, the better it is, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm seeing some chickpeas on the floor.
Just 2 casualties, babe.
And second roll are on the floor.
No, they're goners. I know you guys are chickpea salad sandwich masters already, but this batch is looking extra primo.
I want to try some.
It's like an ice cream cone.
So good.
Let's toast up with some bread and eat lunch.
So the real reason we're rushing out of this parking lot is this kid has to use the toilet.
Yeah.
But that,
Show them the line.
I don't think it's for you guys.
It's 40 people deep.
That line in there is at least 40 people.
40 people deep. It's been like that all day.
All day. I waited in it this morning.
Can you imagine the status of that toilet? Holy smokes, so much contribution.
The status, oh my gosh. Woo. This is a pretty setting to have a farm.
No doubt. And all the toys. Tractors.
We are rolling into North Arm Farms. What are you Are you eating?
No.
Oh. And we're gonna pick some berries and do some fun stuff. Oh, okay, so it looks like you can also come and just grab whatever it is you're after.
So in case you're lazy, you could just grab something, pretend you picked it, but not us. We're going out there picking it all.
Let's pick them. Lovely lady inside preferred not to be filmed, which is very alright, okay. She said she...
What is that smell?
I think they've got animals here.
Oh, I don't know if I can be a farmer.
You're so dramatic.
Oh, come on, that's dank.
Oh, look at how pretty these sunflowers are. Should we do a little bit of B-roll before we get cracking?
Let's do the B-roll dance.
I have to put my blueberries in those buckets, dude.
I know, they dropped perfectly straight.
Actually, they did. One for raspberries, blueberries. Let's kick butt.
Beck, are you picking or are you eating?
Buddy.
This is caught on film. You're breaking the rules.
You're the one that's been doing that this whole time. You're the child here. I'm like, buddy, stop doing that and start picking. How many do you think you've picked?
I haven't picked a single one.
Yeah. All right, let's buckle down and start picking. I've got this much. The next time you see me, I want at least half a bucket.
All right.
Mama knows what she's making for breakfast tomorrow. This is the combined efforts of Eamon and I. I don't know if we were meant to be blueberry pickers, but I'm excited to eat these nonetheless. Do you want to get some raspberries?
No, I'd just like to maybe sample one or two.
Buddy.
How about that those low hangers? Yoink.
Thanks.
So 15 bucks for
The lemonades were expensive.
a bag full of blues. Yeah, this was 8 bucks, the lemonades.
That was really expensive.
I think that's pretty fair.
Yeah.
For an afternoon of
Fun.
Last night we went to the grocery store
Yeah.
and we each got kombuchas and they were vilely off.
Yeah.
And like Beck would rather write a full essay than like go back and talk to the staff about it.
Well, because it just feels like I've been in hospitality and that sucks when someone comes back in, you have to deal with all that, and I don't know, I just don't like being that person. But yeah, they were off. They were really
the chick was like, yeah, no worries. This brand was on recall.
Yeah. Yeah. They shouldn't have sold it to us then. We had this ultimate plan. Must you? Must you chomp in my ear? We were gonna go to the hot springs to decompress after a long day of hiking and picking berries. Well, let me tell you something. When it is 35.5 degrees Celsius outside, you don't feel like going to the hot springs. And then when your best buddy says he's not hungry and then picks up a bag of chips at the grocery store, guilty as charged.
I'm the one that says I need to get in shape.
So what are you doing eating that bag of chips? I caught you red-handed here, video evidence.
She buys the chips and then starts feeding them to me.
Anywho, where are we? What are we doing? What's going on? Yeah.
We're down at 1 mile.
1 mile late.
And howdy do 1 milers, because this is the spot where the Pembies hang out. So as you're about to see, we're about to hang out with the locals at 1 mile and go for a hot dip because it is bloody sweating out. So that's all you got for 1 Mile Lake here.
I can't be on the grass.
It's okay. It's cold and there's no sun.
But it was refreshing to jump in.
Yeah. Okay.
On to the next one.
What?
On to the next one.
Next what?
On to the next one.
What's the next one?
You got boogers on your like mustache.
We just found a camp spot just up the road. Dinner plans tonight is a bit of a sputzba, whatever that means. It's a potato hash with, you'll see, we'll bring you along, you'll get. This camera, when the battery dies, it just all of a sudden dies. It doesn't give you any kind of warning, so I lost you there. Well, we're at our campsite. I know this is gonna look like a lot of food, but, well, you know Beck and I. And I would show Beck, but she's really bringing back Wildhood in the corner. She hasn't been into clothes in like 2 weeks.
Yeah. So
I'm cooking down the Italian, or the apple sage field roast, and then we're gonna do like a potato hash, which is pepper, an onion, and mushroom. Plate of veggies. Beautiful sunset, or sunsetting. There's only one rock, huh? Might make a bench. So guys, we are critically low on water. So we're gonna head down to the water and rinse in the river. Great success. We lost one knife and one plate, but we used biodegradable soap, and now we got clean dishes to go home to.
I'm working on being really, really present in the moment because life just doesn't get any better than this.
It's true.
So tonight was perfect.
It was really nice. It was unpredictable.
We didn't have it planned. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
It's unplanned?
I guess every single night of ours is unpredictable. We literally never know where we're sleeping or eating. We make the call and just do it. Maybe that has to do with like bringing back Wildhood too. It's just like, you know, go for a weekend and just like don't make a plan.
I like
Sometimes that turns
that.
out so fun.
Is that your idea of it then? Because mine was being really tired, which I am, at the end of a really good day outside. Like you've just got
I
enough.
love yours too. I know exactly what you're saying.
You've got enough sun and you just feel, and the best part is that you feel so cozy and comfy at home when it's all over. And that's what RVing is. Like that's what living in tiny homes on wheels gives you the opportunity to do, is go back into your home at the end of the day and just sleep.
It's phenomenal.
It's the best, and that's why I'll never go back to, well, not never, but probably never go back to backpacking the same way, because I just love this. I love it so much.
Not even the Hilton Hotel can offer you those kind of comforts.
No thank you, Hilton.
No,
what, Hilton?
Thank you.
Sorry, no thank you.
Is that Hilton? Free accommodation for a week?
No.
No, thank you.
You're gonna bruise the banana.
I like them a little bruised. Well, that will conclude our end of the vlogster today.
It was
God, I keep going to pick my
fun.
nose, and I'm really trying not to. So I gotta go, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to smash the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're not out. By the way, Beck's like really debating whether we should like start introducing ourselves because there's a lot of new faces around.
Yeah.
So my name's Eamon.
And I'm back.
And we hope you enjoyed the video.
And we're really excited to welcome you here if you are new. Oh, hold on. We're doing a meetup.
Oh, exciting stuff. You thought you were gone, but we're not gone.
I hope you're still here watching this because this is important stuff. On Saturday, this is coming out on Wednesday. On Saturday, we're going to be in Portland, July 28th, 2018. We're going to be in Portland, Oregon. Or is that how you say it?
Yeah, Portland, Oregon. I'm super stoked, by the way. Portland's kind of always this town or city or whatever it is that people talk about, especially in like the vegan vibe and like hippie and van life.
Everything.
So like it's always like, oh yeah, in Portland we got this. It's like, oh, I'm super stoked to go experience it. So if you're in around Portland, Washington, Vancouver, drive down, hang out with us for the day.
Or you could drive up. I don't know.
Yeah, if you're in California, wherever other states are near Portland, Oregon. Alberta Park.
Alberta Park.
10 a.m.
You made a mistake on your Instagram.
Albert Park, I said.
And everyone's messaging me being like, does Eamon mean Alberta? I'm like, yeah, he's dyslexic.
Wait, is it Alberta? Or is it Alberta? Okay. Listen to Beck.
It's Alberta, but now you have me thinking.
Posty and I are super stoked. We're going to play basketball if you guys want to play afterwards.
Or during.
So, can you imagine we get like a whole squad of like 5-on-5s, like 3 teams or something, 4 teams.
We have a whole tournament?
That'd be unreal.
We'll have the slack
line out, we'll bring some snacks.
Of course.
It'll be a grand time meeting everybody. So if you're around, please come out.
I genuinely
Until next time.
love meetups because I love meeting you guys. And I'm introverted, so I don't
Well,
normally
we've lucked
like stuff
out.
like
We
that.
haven't had any bad meetups yet.
Everyone's so awesome.
Yeah.
The whole community's awesome.
The squad is amazing. The Ebers are real.
The Ebers?
Not cool, right? I tried to...
Oh, is that you and
Eamon
me?
and Becker? Yeah.
Eamon and Beckers? What do you guys want to call, what should we call each other?
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you got
That'd
like a
be fun.
squad name.
Okay.
Because I think that'd be cool too.
Okay, this is
Okay,
the longest line of
really
all
long
time.
intro. The whole vlog is now this. Bye.
Bye.